Hello, welcome once again to of Online Math class. In this video, we are going to discuss integration. If you've watched my previous video on integration, you will see that I have dealt with the basis of integration. And in that video, I told you that integration is just the converse, the opposite of differentiation. If this is your first time of viewing, consider subscribing to my channel. It gives you notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Now these are the works we have under integration, and we are asked to deal with them starting from the first one. So solutions here. In the number one, we have the integral of x power of 7 plus 1 dx. To integrate this, you have to remember the formula for integration, the power plus 1. So what I have here is x power of 7. Just say the power plus 1 over whatever you're having there, 7 plus 1 plus, if you whenever you integrate any constant with respect to a particular letter, it turns to that letter. So this will give us x power of 8 over 8 plus x. Then plus the constant of integration, you must add plus c because there are some variables that are lost while we are integrating a particular term or an expression. So the second one will have the integral of root x dx. Now, root x can be seen as, if you know it is very well, as x power of half dx. And this is the something as x power of half plus 1 over half plus 1, then plus c, the constant of integration. This will now give us x power of half plus 1 is 3 over 2 over 3 over 2, then plus c. I'll clean here. Okay, now this will turn into x power of 3 over 2 times, I will change division to times and turn this fraction upside down, 2 over 3, then plus c. So finally, I'll be getting 2 over 3x power of 3 over 2 plus c as the answer. Okay, so if I like, I can still work on this. Now, lastly, we have the third question as integral of x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x plus 5 all over x, then dx. Now, because we are seeing over x here, the first step to take here is to divide everything here by x. So I will erase here. So when I do that, I'll be having something like integral of x cubed all over x minus 3x squared all over x plus 2x all over x plus 5 over x dx. Now x cubed divided by x will give me x squared. This divide this will give me 3x plus x will cancel x, I'll have 2, then plus 5 over x. Remember dx. Finally, when I integrate this, I have x power of 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 from the law of integration minus 3x power of 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. If I differentiate a constant with respect to a particular letter, it becomes 2x plus, whenever you differentiate something like this, whenever you have x down here, this is the something as 5 times 1 over x, okay, dx. Now this is giving me x power of 3 all over 3 minus 3x squared all over 2 plus 2x plus 5 is here. If 1 over x, the derivative of 1 over x is just ln x, because you can't go further. You cannot differentiate 1 over x. You cannot integrate 1 over x. So this gives us ln x, 5 ln x. Therefore, the right integral is just x cubed over 3 minus 3 over 2x squared plus 2x plus 5 ln x, then plus the constant of integration c. And that's just the answer. If you've enjoyed what you've watched, kindly consider subscribing to my channel. It gives you notification whenever I upload a new content. Thank you.